All right, guys, we are back on the chart. Here's Nas100. Looks like we're heading down. We're getting tapped out of a buy. We just hit a sell, potentially hitting a sell stop. Yeah, just got knocked out of our buy from yesterday, which is great. We held that. Now we're into our sell. Now you got to watch out for this sell. It could just wick us out. So I'm going to get rid of the buy stop, and I'm going to keep this sell going. All right. So our idea is that this will continue down. We tap this fib level, maybe tap this pivot point, S1. So we're currently in profit. You just want to hold up. You are good with the risk. This TP, I'm going to set right here at this order block right there. Like the New York Exchange is agreeing with the news. Let's just give it a couple of moments. Let's go ahead and jump on our social. I'm gonna do this live. All right, guys, we're on Instagram looking at Nas100. We did the news this morning video on our YouTube channel. And we're going for a 1-to-1 right there, risking 50 points to get 1 point. We're currently sitting in profit right there. And now what I'll do, because it's hit a 1-to-1, I'm gonna slide that protection line in profit about 20 points, something like that. It's a guaranteed $400. Let's just go and slide it to 5. All right, so there's where we are today. Learn to trade, guys. This is a skill set that is going to be a game changer. All right. If you have any questions, let me know. I want to get you in our Telegram group and our Discord group so you can start learning and start trading. All right. There it is, y'all. So we hit a 1-to-1. I'm protected. It may knock me out in profit. That's going to be a guaranteed $500. And we'll see how it reacts. All we know, let me go to 1 minute. Oh yeah, it looks like it wants to come and knock me out on this little bull candle. But we'll see. All we know is we don't know. We'll see what happens. I hope y'all are catching on to this deal. Like, you don't need a ton of points every day. Like, you know, you just get good at risking properly, and it will pay off. It must, right? So at this point, it is 10 points that's gonna pay me today if I get knocked out in profit. I'm not risking anything. This is a risk-free trade. If it never touches my stop loss, it's potentially gonna give me 100 points, 130 points, and I'd be good with it. I'd be good with that. All right, let me do some tagging here. I'm gonna watch and see if it knocks us out. All right, so it knocks us out in profit, which is really good. We went ahead and protected at 1-to-1 on the sell, the breakout of a 4-hour order block, risking minimum 50-point stop loss. This was textbook trade, man. This followed our rules, which you can find on our Discord, Mission Strategies. Right here, if you want access to the Missions Trading Agency Discord, we will drop the link for real, and y'all can check out the reason why we entered this trade and the reason why we got out of this trade. So, all right, man, that's it. It was a quick one today. Now we'll just watch the market and see how it reacts for the rest of the day. So see y'all in the next video. Peace out.